Hello, kings and queens, gods and goddesses, Almighty Twan, the light worker, the melanated warrior, back here with another video. I'm going to be talking about the benefits of getting out in Mother Nature and meditating in Mother Nature. This will help your pineal gland. When I was meditating outside, I could feel my pineal gland opening. Like I had got a sensation like in the middle of my head, inside of the back of my head. Like I could feel my brain like go through a wave, if that makes sense. And I could feel my arms, get the goosebumps. And the hairs on my arms rise. And that's why I say, hair helps with intuition. Because when I'm around low vibrational people, my hair start to rise and I get goosebumps and I start getting this this feeling of anxiousness, this feeling of like nervousness around people that are low vibrational. The people that be on social media all the time, the people that you can't conversate with because they're like this. Don't spend all your time on the television, the television, the telephone. Get out with Mother Nature. Put your bare feet in the ground. I have so much positive energy. Take that. Take that positive energy. But I hope you're having a phenomenal day. A positive day. Please do something that is going to raise your vibration. Get you some crystals. So if you do go out in a public area with a bunch of low vibrational people, you can have your energy protected at all times. Everything is energy. When I look at trees, I can feel the energy and I can see the energy vibrating off of the trees. This is what happens when you sun gaze. This is what happens when you moon gaze. Your concentration, it helps your eyes see through the temptations, the lustful, shit that the devil will send your way. It's all about ignoring it. Get on your purpose. So when you do accomplish your purpose on this earth and fulfill your human experience on this earth, you will ascend to the fifth dimension and stop getting reincarnated. You keep the reason why humans get reincarnated and animals get reincarnated is because they did not fulfill their human experience. They either died or without, being successful, or either died sad, mad, was not happy, did not feel fulfilled, or, you know, they just that's just really what it is. They was not happy and they did not fulfill um their journey, their purpose. And they're at a complacent level. They got trapped by the demon that the devil would send them. A pretty female with big titties, big butt, but has no brain, can't keep a conversation. The telephone really destroys your brain. It kills your memories. It kills everything inside of your head. Every time I ask a person something, they say, "Oh, I forgot. Oh, I forgot." If you don't want to forget things, become celibate, get on semen retention. Hold in that energy. Hold in your life force. Hold in your vitality that the Most High has possessed upon you. And you can get all of these wonderful and positive things thrown your way. Stay away from the low vibrational people that want to keep you down by just trying to hit you up to have sex or just to smoke and drink. They're not doing nothing but wasting time. Spend your energy and time with people that want to see you successful in this matrix. But like I was saying, when you connect with Mother Nature, your energy will always be positive. Whether you just got off of, a bad relationship, or, you just in a negative state of mind, just connect with Mother Nature. Meditate outside. Just spend a good quality of time outside. This is why you see a lot of spiritual people always happy, because they spend their time outside with Mother Nature. But that's all I had to say. And please, eat healthy, drink healthy. What you put inside your body will determine what comes out of your face. This is energy that you're putting inside your body. Please do not put negative energy inside of your body. This is why I am vegan. This is why I drink 100% spring water. This is why I boil my water. Because I want the best vibration possible. I want to be a higher being and become a light worker so I can help you escape the matrix. Come on, we leaving. We ain't never coming back to the third dimension. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Share if you would like. Almighty Torn. Peace.